Hello children. In my previous video, I have explained pollution and types of pollution. In this video, we will do book exercise and extra question related to the chapter. So let's start. Open your books, page number 10, lesson number 5. Look at the pictures given on the pages and write A for air, W for water, S for soil and N for noise pollution in the circle below each picture. Okay children, now look at picture number 1. In this picture, you can see that dirty water is getting mixed with river water and making the river water dirty. So which pollution is this? This is water pollution. Picture number 2. In this picture, you can see that there is no plant and making the soil infertile. Beta, do you know the meaning of infertile? Infertile means we will not be able to grow plant in this land. So which pollution is this? This is called soil pollution. Picture number 3. People are closing their ears. People are closing their ears due to loud sound. Loud sound means it is noise pollution. Children, can you tell me from where this noise is coming? All this noise is coming from these speakers at the back. So which pollution is this? This is noise pollution. Look at this picture now. Number 4. The smoke coming out of the chimney. It causes air pollution. Which pollution is this? Air pollution. Number 5. This photo is of plastic which is thrown into the water bodies. We can see many cans as well as plastic bags. These things cannot be dissolved in the water. So this creates water pollution. So which pollution is this? This is water pollution. Next, picture number 6. In this photo, we can see a truck dumping some garbage into a landfill in which lot of garbage is already there. So, which pollution is this? This is soil pollution. Number 7. In this picture, a person blowing the horn. This causes noise pollution. Which pollution is this? This is noise pollution. Picture number 8. In this picture, we can see the smoke coming out of the car. This causes air pollution. It is very dangerous also. Which pollution is this? Air pollution. So now look at this picture. In this picture, we can see a girl holding a garbage bin in her hand and wearing a t-shirt representing the 3 R's of the environment. These 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce meaning reduce the amount of waste we create. Reuse meaning finding a new way to use waste material. Recycle means using waste material to make new goods. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Now I'm going to tell few points by which we can reduce the pollution. Number 1, turn off lights when not in use. Avoid use of crackers. Don't use plastic bags. Plant more and more trees. I hope you all would have understood these points and would try to reduce the pollution, as by reducing the pollution we can save our mother earth. Okay students, I have written few questions related to the chapter. Question number 1, what is pollution? When harmful material is added to the environment, it is called pollution. Question number 2, write 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Next, write any 4 ways to reduce pollution. Turn off lights when not in use. Don't use plastic bags. Avoid use of crackers. Plant more and more trees. Next, which city has become the most polluted city in India? Answer is Delhi. What does 3Rs stand for? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Children, you have to learn and write these questions and book work also. Thank you. Have a good day.